Hey, welcome back to Corbellic Studios. Today we're going to be doing a painting of a UFO spacecraft over a vineyard landscape. All right, this is going to be like in Italy or somewhere in Europe, something like that. But it's going to be beautiful. Whenever it comes to doing UFOs and spaceships, they do very well on eBay. I don't know why, but I always fall back on them. These are one of also the themes that you can also find in the PDF downloads of things that you can do as well. Click the link below, join us, and you can have all the templates. You can have all the downloads. There's no guessing game. You can set up your account, copy and paste. Everything is there for you. So let's do this together and knock this out. I always play a game about how quick I can get these done, just to show you that you can get done with these as well. And that is how you can be able to build up your eBay account and get these things sold. All right, so let's have some fun. All right, this is our spaceship right here. This is our UFO and our vineyards. So let's start off with our background. All right, let's just do a light blue just so I can have some body of paint to build up on. Look at that, just like this, and then just like this. A little bit of yellow for the grass or for the bottom. And this is just so we can have a layer to build upon. I'm still going to paint on top of this, but it's just so that I don't take the canvas that serious. Let me put my timer on so I keep myself accountable. You know, I used to kind of stretch these videos out a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of guilty of that. And knowing if I was working alone in the studio, I would never do that. I would just get on to the next one quick, but I was trying to stretch the videos out for like to make it longer, like we're talking or a conversion, but we got plenty of videos to shoot together. I just want to get on to the next one and show you how quick these are done, because I think it's just a better example for me to show you how you could work the canvas and get on to the next one. All right, that was just a quick dry off. I didn't do like a full dry off because I'm still going to be painting over this, and I just wanted to have a little bit of layering there. So that's fine. It's dry enough. And look at this. I'm just going to go real quick into our color. Look at this. Now let's go into this purple. And when it comes to doing the sky, it's just like doing glass, really. Like there's no right or wrong, because the sky is built on so many different colors. And it doesn't matter. There's nobody who can tell you, oh, that's not right. The sky didn't shine that way on that Wednesday. Look at that. Now let's start building up our landscape some. All right, so now I'm going to line up our background. Line up our hills, our mountains. Now, the reason I sketch this out is it gives me a body to build on. So when we have our trees, when we have our foundation, it's just easier. And you're going to see what I'm talking about. Look at this. Boom, look at that. Oh, look at that. That's amazing how that looks. Huh? Look at that. All right, so now that we just built that up, it's easier for us to just work off of that. I'm telling you, whenever I work paintings like this, they're very simple. They look like they're more challenging than what they are, but they're always simple whenever doing these landscapes. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. And the reason why is because there's no right or wrong. I mean, there's no right or wrong anyways when doing art. That's the only reason I got into art. I feel like everything else that I would do, there would be so many different mistakes that I'm making, or somebody who could tell me that I'm making some type of mistake. And then I would have to go along with it. Oh, okay, you're right. I'll try harder. Sorry, I made that mistake on that report. I'll make sure that our fiscal numbers are properly aligned with last year's. Look at this. There's no thought into this whatsoever. Anybody can do this. And the reason why is because we're working off the projector. You know, even though I show how easy I'm able to do this and how fast, and even though I sold so many paintings, right? There's some people out there who just can't let the ego go, and then they try to recreate the wheel. I see it happen all the time, and they're like, I'm just going to do my own thing. I'm like, how did you create that? I created it freehand. How long did it take you? It took me 2 hours. Like, who has time to do that? And then it's like, what do you, so then you're losing the purpose of what we're doing here. Now, if you just want to do this and you want to base it off of because you have free time, then that's fine. That's something different. But most people don't really just want to waste time and don't have free time. They want to make money out of it. And I see a lot of times when people, their ego's still involved, and they're like, I did it by hand. It took me 3 hours to do that one painting. Okay. Now put it up on eBay. Let's see how the market thinks about your 3-hour painting. They're not going to care because they don't know how long. They don't care about your methods. They care about the results. And then if you do that enough times, you might not care about that one, but if you do that enough time, I promise you, you'll get to a point where you just be like, you know what, I'm going to listen to Corbellic. I'm going to create art fast because I'm tired of wasting my life away. That's your life that you're doing. That's your life. You might think it's cool, but that's your life. There's nothing cool about spending your life away on doing art pieces that aren't selling or nobody wants, and you didn't really judge the market, and you're only doing it for vanity pieces because you like it or because you want it. The whole purpose of me having this course and teaching in this program is so that you can get your life back, so you can buy your own time back. So you don't have to waste your time, so you don't have to waste your life with doing paintings that they told you that you needed to be doing. Take it from me. I've done so many gallery art fairs. And I wasted time. I wish that I've had an art coach like me to tell me these things years ago. But you know what's funny is that even though I'm saying this stuff, I understand it, because even when I was in my moment, if I had somebody like me, it probably would be difficult to listen, because I need no, that's not going to happen to me. I still need my gallery days. It's going to happen for me. I need to be recognized by my friends and family that I'm special, that I'm an artist. If you haven't gone through it, then you're going to want to go through it. But if you already gone through it and you know that there isn't anything there. 2018 is not coming back, Jack. I keep trying to tell people that 2018 is not coming back. Stop thinking that the market like that is coming back, because it's not. Even if the economy fully recovered right now, people were still buying art like that, it's not going to come back like that. And it has nothing to do with the market. It has nothing to do with the market as far as the economy. It has to do with the saturation of where art is. And if it's saturated, then put yourself in the saturated shoes where you're dominating and you're in the place of where the saturation is at. And that's eBay. But make sure that your account and everything is set up properly. Not that you're just, it's not just about, oh, it's eBay, so I'm going to list on there and everything's going to be fine. No, it's not. You're going to mess your account up. Join the free eBay art community and have us set you up properly. I'm going to make sure that your account is proper so that you can start making these sales, start making money off of the combined shipping, and that you're good to go. But if not, you know how many people that I know try to do it on their own, and then they always come back to me. Then they come back and they go, I got an MCC 77. For people in the eBay world, you know what that means. That means that they suspended your account because you didn't know how to set your account up. And it happens all the time. But that's also a good thing too if you get those, because that means that you're actually putting strain on the account. If you ever have that, then I can help you get out of that jam as well. I can help you get out of that jam real quick. But you could hurt your account even before you start. Corbellic says I just got to sign up on eBay and it's that simple. Yeah, it is and it ain't. I've been doing this for 8 years. We'll set you up. How long has it been? It's been 11 minutes. Let's stop dibble dabbling. There's nothing more that we can do. All right, there we go right there. There's our spaceship landscape through the vineyards. Layered paint, beautiful. Look at that. These are so much fun. And like I said, look, if I can do this, you can do this. I didn't do this free-handed and try to figure it out, just like I wouldn't suggest for you to try to figure out your account on eBay. Don't do it, all right? Just use the projector. Learn how we all do this, how we do this so fast. Everybody's in the community is doing this as well. We're all working and pumping it out, but also pumping up the algorithm so that way you can make sales. You can start making sales as early as next week. Click the link below and I'm going to see you in there. All right.